The world famous cook set I got from Surplus. Cost me $30. Worth every penny, considering most of the others at other places sell upwards of $100. So went and got 2 stainless steel plates with it. Spent about $4 each on those. And the silverware sets were $2.99. So all comes nice, packs away in my ditty bag. Came with this bag. Got mesh, helps it breathe out, especially if you're packing it away and it's still slightly wet. Started out with these for silverware. They're alright. Not the greatest. Knife, fork, spoon. Fits all together. Goes in a little case, kind of like your toothbrush holder thing. But they don't hold heat too well. You get poking away in a hot pan with those, they're gonna melt right over. Keep my bottle of camp suds in here. It's great. All natural, biodegradable. Gotta have that biodegradable soap. Here's my set. Kinda fell apart. They all just clip together. Pulls apart easy. The holes, slide it up, locks in. Big spoon, nice fork, nice little knife, sharp enough to cut steak. Keeps it compact. Find my pots, gotta put them away the way they're supposed to be. But these fit all down inside, and not over top. Frying pan came. The plates, I like them. This is all the cook set came with, really, was the pots and the pan and the cups. But it works great. Use this everywhere. Handles come handy, they just fold right up. Pan cleans up fairly good. You can tell I've put it through some abuse. Stuff doesn't tend to last long with me. I normally beat the crap out of it pretty good. Nice little lid, goes over top. Smaller lid for the smaller pot. Isn't really that much smaller if you look at the inside. And in here, a little salt and pepper shaker. Works great. I love it. Gotta have salt and pepper. Why not? You want to eat good in the field, don't you? These cups came with it. They're just little plastic cups. Holds literally 1 cup. Got measurements on the side. Doubles up nicely as a measuring cup, so comes handy. Lots of uses. Especially if you do dehydrated food, you can measure out your amounts perfect. These things are awesome. World famous. Bought a pack of these. I think you got 6 of them. And they're just little napkins. But when you fold it out, it's about 1 foot by 1.5 feet. It's a pretty big napkin. You can actually reuse them, but normally they just go in the fire. You don't want to be spending all your time washing napkins. Especially when I think I paid $2 for them. This pot works great. Throw on the little lid. The only thing I don't like about this lid is it's kind of in, so it holds the ash. But at the same time, when you pull off the lid, the ash doesn't fall in. So I tend to use my bigger pot for boiling water. I use this one for cooking. I use this for cooking, obviously. Gets really hot really fast. Non-stick, or isn't a non-stick, so eggs are scrambled. It's about the only way to cook it. And it all goes together nice. But all that fits into that little bag and packs away, in my case, so nice. just a little bit smaller than my hammock, so I can eat cozy for 2 people and be loving life. Thanks.